Here we are starting a new week, new day. GreenWorks HQ. Coming here into the office to see what the day has in store for us. You'll notice we're heavy on the indoor air quality side of things. See our GreenWorks display, and here, this has been left out for me. Tracy's not here yet. Check this out. This is our HomeShock federal trademark registration. You know, we actually take what we do pretty seriously, and we actually get a lot of certifications here. Better Business Bureau, some different installation certs, licenses. You can see we have another trademark registration for Healthy Starts at Home. This is kind of why we do what we do, and we tend to get supporting certification that lets everybody know that we are very much into this, and why here at GreenWorks, Healthy Starts at Home. Feel free to reach out to us.